Howdy YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the handles in your kitchen, these old style, in about 5 minutes using a CD ROM. So what I have here is I have a new handle and there's the old handle. Now these screw in from the back, these screw in from the front. Okay, so how do we get these lined up quickly, fast, without having to measure 3 inches across the whole thing? Well, what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to take is I had a clear CD ROM, which is a part of the 5 or 10 or however many CD ROMs you buy. This gives you the cover, but any CD ROM is going to do, even the plastic cover. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your drill and you're going to line up the handle right here, and you're going to take your drill and you're simply going to drill a hole right there to make your template. And the same on the other side, just drill your hole. Now, when you go to take these handles off, you just unscrew your handle and you're left here, and all you have to do is drill your top hole so that fits. And you're going to put your CD ROM on it like this. Because it's round, it's going to hang down level. You could use your other one as a template, but if you look, you'll see that your second hole where you're going to drill through, where it's marked on the CD, it's going to hang down straight and level, and your second hole will be right there. So now you got both your holes. And all you do is you take your screws out again, take your template, put it aside, and then bring your screws through for your cabinet from the back, and you got a perfectly lined up hole for your new pulls. And it takes you maybe 2-3 minutes to drill all your holes. Hardest part's going to be getting off your handles, your old handles, and the template just makes it work for you, nice and easy.